History. Founded in 1900 by William Coffin Coleman, the Coleman Company began with a focus on the manufacturing of gasoline pressure lamps. William, an entrepreneur at heart, was driven to improve the quality of nighttime lighting. His dedication led to the creation of the Coleman Arc Lamp, a product that greatly enhanced outdoor and nighttime activities. Best inventions. Among Coleman's most transformative inventions is the Coleman Lantern, introduced in the 1920s. This portable, reliable light source revolutionized camping and outdoor activities, making them safer and more accessible. Later, the company introduced the Coleman Stove during World War II, a compact portable stove that became a staple for troops in the field. Recent developments. In recent years, Coleman has expanded its product range to include tents, sleeping bags, and other camping and outdoor gear. They have also ventured into producing highly efficient, eco-friendly products, reflecting their commitment to sustainability. Current status. Today, Coleman continues to be a respected name in the outdoor equipment industry. Their commitment to quality, innovation, and the spirit of adventure remains as strong as it was during William Coffin Coleman's time. The company's products are now used worldwide, helping millions of people to enjoy the great outdoors.